Hello, my name is Comfort Ingram, the founder of Duku Headwraps subscription box. I am a proud member of the previous subscription box with Jacqueline Shaw of African Fashion Guide. I learned so much from Jackie over the last 12 weeks. It opened new doors that I didn't know existed. I was able to build new friendships with different artisans in Africa and also with the women who were on this journey with me. I was able to face my fears about different digital platforms, and it really and truly blessed me. I was able to gain so much from this course that has, as I said, transformed me, considering when I started, I didn't know what a DM or a hashtag was. But I've since launched Duku Headwraps, and I've got subscribers, and people have actually bought boxes. And today, actually, I'll be putting some boxes together ready to be shipped sometime this week. Working with Jackie was an absolute honor and a real experience. She is an amazing, gifted coach, passionate about what she does, really caring and sincere. Nothing gives a greater joy than see you succeed, and the very fact that she also has got a few subscription boxes on the go just gives you such confidence and gives you a real story of what actually happens, and she empowers you. She's caring and patient, and patiently answers all your questions. She's definitely a coach in your corner. I would highly recommend, if you are considering signing up, do not hesitate, do it today. If you want a recurring income, this is the ideal business model that is lockdown proof, recession proof, especially if you want to work from home. This is the business for you. If you're passionate and driven, I can guarantee you will get results. I encourage you to sign up today to do this course with Jacqueline. You'll meet amazing people on the same pursuit as you, and your life will never be the same. I wish you all the best. Bye.